Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, you will learn about the Git branches. Let's first understand what a Git branch is and why it is required. Git branch is used to create the separate copy of your source code. So let's assume you and I are working on the same project. You are automating the login functionality and I am automating the create account functionality. In this case, we should create two separate branches. One is for login and second is for the create account functionality. You can push your code on the login branch and I can push my code on the create account branch. This will help us to keep our code separate and changes will not impact each other's code because we will be pushing the code on our respective branches very frequently. Once we both complete our task, then we can merge the both branches to combine the source code into a single branch. Now just imagine if we do not use the separate branches, then we both will need to push the code on a single branch which will override each other's code. In practice, each developer creates a new branch for him and pushes his code on that branch very frequently. Once his task is completed, then he merges his branch with the main branch, that is the master branch. I hope this example helps you to understand what branch is and why we should use it. Now let's go through the PPT. The first point is that it creates the separate copy of the code. Let me explain what it means. Source code must be available in a branch. By default, Git provides a master branch where you can push your code. That means on your local Git repository, you have a master branch code. When you create a new branch, Git copies the code from the current branch and pastes it in a new branch. In simple words, you are copying all the existing files from one folder and putting them into a new folder. Now you have a code in your new branch which you can update based on your requirement. Now let's move to the next point, that is branch can be created for the specific feature. In practice, each developer creates his own branch to regularly push his code. Branches should be created feature wise. Let's say for the login feature, you can create a login branch to write the login specific code. For the create account features, you should create a new branch, let's say create account, where you can write the code for the create account feature. Once you complete the feature code, then you can merge your branch code to the master branch, because in the end we need to have that entire code in one main branch only. For this, Git allows to merge the different branches to have the complete code in a single branch. That's the overview about the Git branches. Now let's meet in the next video and learn about the different Git branch commands. See you in the next video. Until then, happy learning.